Spider-Man toys. Although the manufacturer claims that this product is for children, this does not mean that adults can't enjoy it. Quite the opposite, actually. This Spider-Man toy kit will allow you to have fun for hours, especially if you're a fan of superhero movies and comics. This set by Hasbro includes a variety of toys. First of all, regular masks and moving masks. In this case, for example, the shape of the eyes change. The mask is attached to the head with adjustable straps, so the size of the head doesn't matter. And secondly, the kit includes web wings, similar to those seen in the movie Spider-Man Homecoming. And finally, the most important thing, blasters that shoot harmless projectiles or a spider web-like substance. This substance comes in special cans that are attached to the wrist. The substance comes out of the blaster when you push the right button. DJI Digital FPV System. Unfortunately, even with the high level of development of modern technology, we still cannot make some of the fantasies that humanity has had since ancient times come true. We're talking about flying like birds. We still can't fly through the air on our own, feeling the warm sun on our skin and the wind on our face. However, there are devices that can bring us closer to these feelings and recreate the experience of bird flight. This is the Digital FPV DJI system, deemed by the manufacturer to be a revolution in the world of drone racing. The device has 4 components: a flight module, a camera, special glasses, and a remote control. After putting on the glasses, you can lift the drone into the air and enjoy a spectacular FPV flight. The system only has a little signal lag, and the flight module transmits the image to the glasses with a resolution of 720 pixels and a speed of 120 FPS. This makes it easier for the user to immerse themselves in the flight and even imagine flying on their own. The system supports up to 8 channels, making it ideal for drone racing. The minimum price is $820. Kiki. Many children want a robotic pet, and their dream can finally come true. But first, parents will have to pay between $800 and $1,500. But don't let the size of this robot fool you. This cute little pet is a technologically advanced device. Kiki can recognize faces and distinguish its owner from other people. It also responds to sounds and voices. The large number of sensors on its body also allows the robot to feel and understand touch, but that's not even all. Kiki can be taught a variety of tricks. In addition, if you put 2 of these robots together, they can teach each other tricks. The manufacturer claims that each robot is unique. Kiki's personality depends on its interaction with the owner. Thus, the robot can be quiet and shy, sociable, open, or even aggressive. Pokeball Plus. Nintendo has developed a very accurate copy of the Pokeball from the legendary anime Pokemon. Pokeball Plus is an accessory designed for the Nintendo Switch. It can be used to navigate menus, explore the Pokemon world, and for Pokemon fights. The toy supports motion control. It allows you to immerse yourself more deeply in the virtual world. When a wild Pokemon appears, the player throws the Pokeball and tries to catch Lineus. This is the last device on our list. The invention will allow you to forget about boredom for hours. It's another robot, but it doesn't look like any of the ones we've shown you before. Lineus is a drawing robot with a simple design. It has a metal base, a magnetic frame, and a mobile holder for a pen, pencil, or brush. The working principle stands out for its simplicity. The user can draw anything on the official mobile application, and then Lineus repeats the movements of the user's hand and transfers the drawing to paper. You won't be able to create super detailed masterpieces with Lineus, but it's a fun toy to pass the time and develop your creative skills. The robot connects to the Wi-Fi network and can replicate the drawing, even if you're making it miles away. The device works both horizontally and vertically. It can be fixed to a wall, a fridge, or even a window. By the way, the Lineus companion app is also very interesting. You can share your creations with friends and followers. And you can also see the stages of creation of any image and edit it. And of course, you can download an image from the internet and then remake it. You can buy Lineus for $64.